Hey folks, Mike Chiselle Mortgage Group. Hope this video finds you well. Today, let's go ahead and talk about the pros and cons of solar panels and also solar energy. Okay, let's jump right into it. The pros: you can go ahead and reduce your environmental impact on the world by using solar panels. You can go ahead and reduce or eliminate your utility bills each and every month. You can increase the value of your home, the resale value when you go to sell it. You can go ahead and get government tax credits. If you're eligible, please seek the federal guidelines for that. And then also you can go ahead and help the power grid by buying solar panels. Okay, now the cons. The cons are you could have a large upfront expense or have a very expensive system because normally solar panels are not cheap. Okay, you need to go ahead and update your electrical panel. You must understand the utility company policies and procedures regarding buying back the solar energy. You may have no power during a blackout. You may not break even on your investment depending on how long you're in the home for. And you must go ahead and pay off the system when you sell your home. Folks, if you have any questions regarding solar energy or panels or any questions regarding mortgage financing, please call us at the number below here. Thanks so much and have a great day.